But this is the root. These are the roots that the camera won't get past. This is out at the sidewalk. So we don't know what the condition of the pipe is past that. But you'll start to see all the bumpy roads here. Yep, look at another root intrusion there. Orangeburg pipe, the roots have completely taken over right there. We're pulling back in reverse here, so the inspection is kind of in reverse. Another tree root intrusion, and then your pipe transitions here. So it's wasted out there. We'll do a pipe burst from the driveway location to the front of the sidewalk. This is the area we located at the driveway, right there. See all that? See the little hole your water has to go through? So your sewer is gonna clog any second. If you put toilet paper down there, it'll clog maybe on the second flush. That's it. It's just time for a new sewer, dude.